Okay, so good morning, guys. Hope you all had a nice night. So this was same pair I analyzed yesterday and shared here on this YouTube channel, where I said I was expecting price to buy to this level, this fair value gap here before selling. So can see this morning this was the opening price for this day. Because I said I am bearish, the market, I would want to see the market give a decline from the opening price, which is power of three. I will drop a video or a lecture rather about power of three soon. So power of three is consolidation, then like a fake movement away from the daily opening price before the main move for that day. So the market opened up and traded higher straight for the fair value gap on the 30 minutes. Though if you go to the 15 minutes, you would see there is a smaller fair value gap. So they created liquidity, then they came back and took it out. So this alone is actually expected. As you all know, liquidity is fuel. So when we took out the buy side liquidity inside the fair value gap, we didn't have any market structure shifts and a fair value gap to take our entry. So I didn't really take the trade. Yeah, I didn't take this trade. I should have taken it after this buy side has been taken out, but then I was kind of busy trading Euro USD instead. So I didn't really take this trade, but I was watching it. There was no setup on the 15 minutes, neither were there any on the 5 minutes. Initially, I was expecting price to come back to this fair value gap, and this is a swing low, market structure shifts, buy side liquidity. I was hoping for price to get here before selling, but then the market just consolidated and started selling. But if you go to the 30 minutes, it's actually different. On the 30 minutes time frame, after the buy side has been taken out, we had what? We had a market structure shift. Then when you look at this swing, you look for a fair value gap. And we had this one here. Though it's not really looking visible, but then it is a fair value gap. The market traded back to the fair value gap, filled it in, and that would have been a nice entry. Plus this other block here, can see how we traded to it weak. Market structure shifts, buy side liquidity inside a fair value gap at premium, then usually your stop loss would be here. But for me, if I was willing to trade this pair, I would have taken my entry here and my stop loss would be around here. I don't usually use that stop loss. This risk is too much for me. So you can see what we attacked next. We attacked the sell side liquidity. This one. So for anyone who took a long here and here, the market actually took them out. So if you're buying, if you're selling rather, you should wait for price to go higher first, giving you the fake movement. Then you take your entry there and you can see how nice this delivered. You can check this analysis out before it played out like this. You can check it out on my previous video and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you next